If you've ever wondered why you never seem to get ahead financially, no matter how much you earn, you're not alone. The truth is, wealth isn't just about making money. It's about keeping it and growing it. Unfortunately, most people unknowingly sabotage themselves with bad money habits. In this video, we're breaking down 8 habits that are keeping you broke, backed by insights from The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. And trust me, number 1 is a game changer. Let's dive right in with habit number 8. Thinking that wealth equals a high income. Many people believe that if they earn more, they will automatically become rich. However, the reality is that earning more doesn't guarantee financial success. As Housel teaches us, true wealth is what you don't see. It's the money you keep, not just what you earn. It's easy to fall into the trap of believing that a bigger paycheck means a fatter bank account. The fix here is to focus on saving and investing rather than merely increasing your income. Instead of chasing higher salaries, consider how you can save a portion of what you earn and invest it wisely. Remember, it's not about how much you make, it's about how much you keep. Moving on to habit number 7, spending to impress others. The urge to show off possessions like flashy cars, the latest gadgets, or an extravagant lifestyle can be a significant wealth killer. Housel reminds us, wealth is what you don't see. The truly rich don't need to prove their worth through material possessions. The fix is simple. Stop buying things for validation. Shift your focus from appearances to financial security. It's essential to understand that true success isn't measured by what others see. It's about your financial health and peace of mind. Next up, we have habit number 6, thinking you need to be a finance expert. Many people shy away from investing because they believe it's too complicated or that they lack the knowledge to do it successfully. However, as Housel points out, behavior matters more than knowledge when it comes to building wealth. The fix here is to start with simple, smart investments. You don't need to be a financial guru to begin investing. Consider starting with index funds or real estate. These options can provide a solid foundation for your portfolio without overwhelming you with complexity. Now let's talk about habit number 5, relying too much on luck or timing. Many people wait for the perfect time to invest or expect a sudden windfall to change their financial situation. This mindset is a losing game. Housel's lesson is clear. While luck plays a role, consistency is what builds wealth over time. The fix? Start small and stay consistent. You don't need a large sum to begin investing. Even small contributions can grow significantly over time thanks to compounding. Let time and consistency work in your favor. Coming in at number 4 is not having a plan for emergencies. Life is unpredictable, and without an emergency fund, one unexpected crisis can leave you financially devastated. Housel emphasizes that stability is key to long-term wealth. The fix is to build an emergency fund that covers 3 to 6 months of your expenses. This fund acts as a financial safety net, allowing you to navigate life's uncertainties without derailing your financial goals. Now let's explore habit number 3, ignoring the power of saving. Housel reminds us, the first rule of compounding is to never interrupt it unnecessarily. Unfortunately, many people focus solely on earning more money instead of saving consistently. The fix is to automate your savings. Even setting aside a small amount like 5,000 naira per month can add up over time. By automating your savings, you ensure that you're consistently putting money away, allowing compounding to work its magic. At number 2, we have the habit of thinking you have more time than you do. Many individuals delay investing, believing they have plenty of time to start. However, compounding rewards patience, not intelligence. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. The fix is simple. Start now, even if it's with a small amount. Don't wait for the right moment, because that moment is now. The longer you wait, the more you miss out on the benefits of compounding. Finally, we arrive at the number 1 habit keeping you broke, not controlling your emotions about money. Fear and greed can wreak havoc on your finances. People often panic sell during market downturns, chase trends, or overspend out of emotional impulses, Housel wisely states, "Financial success is not a hard science. It's a soft skill, where how you behave matters more than what you know." The fix here is to build a calm, long-term money mindset. Stop reacting emotionally to financial situations. Instead, focus on making informed, rational decisions that align with your financial goals. So, which of these habits hit home for you? Drop a comment below. If you're ready to master your money mindset, check out our other videos on the psychology of money. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss what's next. Remember, breaking these habits is the first step towards achieving financial freedom and building a wealthier future. Start today and watch your financial situation transform. This is Wealth in Pages, helping you read less and learn more.